Namaste, students. Hope you all fine. Myself, Saranya. I'm your EVS teacher. Today, we are going to see the next lesson, that is rooms in a house. We'll see what are the rooms we have in our house. First, we'll see this is my room. I keep it neat and clean. I like to spend time in my room. I use it to study, sleep, and play. So, this girl is talking about her room. So, she will keep the room neat and clean. So, always we have to keep our room neat and clean. We have, if we take any things from the place, means again after the use we have to keep that toys or things in the same place. We have to maintain the cleanness and the room should be neat. So why we what are the purpose we use our room? For studying, for sleeping, for playing, right? So like that she is also doing in her room. Next, a house has many rooms. The rooms have different uses. So, we'll see one by one and what are the uses of the room. First, we'll see this is the guest room. This is a drawing room. They said drawing room. We can tell that as a living room also. We make our guests sit in the drawing room. So here they have mentioned a drawing room. We can call that as drawing room or living room, whatever we can tell. So if any guest will come to our home means we will make them to sit in the drawing room, right? Next, next is dining room. In dining room, what we will do? We will eat our meals. So that room is called dining room. Next, mummy cooks delicious food. So where mummy will cook? In the kitchen only, right? So in kitchen only, mummy will cook delicious food for us. So that room is called kitchen. Next, where we brush our teeth, freshen up and bath, we will take bath in our bathroom, right? So that room is called bathroom. Next, we rest and sleep in the, so where we will take rest and where we will sleep? We will sleep in our bedroom. So where we take rest and sleep, that room is called bedroom. Next, where we can store the things, we can store the things in the storeroom. So whichever we have extra things, we will keep it in one room, right? So that room is called storeroom. So these are the rooms we can use it for many purpose. So this is one question: what is garbage? Where should we throw it? So this is your homework, childrens. You have to write your answer. So what is the meaning of garbage and where we will throw that? So this is your homework. You have to write the answer. Next, grandma says we can put wire mesh on doors and windows of the house to keep out mosquitoes and insects. So some of the house we can see that for windows and doors they will stick the wire mesh. Why means to prevent the house from the mosquitoes. If it is there means in that hole the mosquitoes will not come inside, and meanwhile we can get some fresh air also. For that only we are using wire mesh. Next is exercise time. First one is filling the missing letters to complete the names of the rooms. So we'll complete that. Okay. The first one is we sleep here. So where we will sleep? We will sleep in our bedroom. So what is the spelling for bedroom? Bedroom. Bedroom. So next one. Mummy cooks food here. Where mummy will cook food? Mummy will cook food in the kitchen. So what is the spelling for kitchen? Kitchen. Kitchen. So third one, we use it to bath. So where we will take bath? We will take bath in our bathroom. So what is the spelling? Bathroom. Bathroom. Next, fourth one, our guest sit here. Where our guest will sit? Our guest will sit in the drawing room. So what is the spelling? Drawing. Drawing. Room. 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 Drawing room. Okay, children, you have to read all the spellings. The first one is bedroom. Second one, kitchen. Third one, bathroom. Fourth one, drawing room. So next, we have to match the rooms with the things we find in them. So shall we match? We'll match. Come. First one is bedroom. In the bedroom, what will be there? Bed will be there, right? Cot. So we have to match that. In kitchen we will use cylinder, right? So match that. Bathroom, in bathroom we will use bucket. Next in the drawing room, sofa. So match these things, okay, childrens. Next one, look at the rooms in your house carefully. Name 3 things found in each of the following rooms. So, children, this is your homework. How you can write means the first question is bedroom. So, in your house, bedroom will be there, right? In the bedroom, see around. What are the 3 things you have? Write any 3 things you have in the bedroom. You can write it as cot, bed, or cupboard. You can write like that. So like that you have to write it for other rooms also. So in your bathroom, what are the things will be there, and in your kitchen, what are the things will be there, and in your drawing room, what are the things will be there. You have to write. Okay, children, this is your homework. Do it in the book itself. Okay, write this one. And after writing in the book, you have to copy that in the classwork also, childrens. So this is your activity. Draw a line to match each object with its right place. So like book was in the bed. So where the book will be there? In the table. So you have to draw line from book to table. Like that you have to match the things where the things should be there. This is also your homework. You don't want to copy this in your classwork, do it in your book itself. Okay, childrens, that's all. So we'll see in the next lesson. Childrens, after writing all the things, you have to read it also. Okay, childrens, bye.